You probably know this man, and this one too, along with many more like them. By now, you might have already heard about mewing and how it can drastically improve your facial aesthetics. The transformation pictures online seem pretty impressive and unrealistic at the same time. What mewing does is it helps you achieve your fullest potential of facial attractiveness. There isn't a guarantee that mewing will surely work for you, but the majority of people have had positive reviews, and there is no loss in giving it a shot when all you have to do is press the tongue against the roof of your mouth. At all times, but there are ways to mew correctly, and if you don't keep these things in mind, you'll end up with negative results. The first is to press the back of the tongue against the palate, and not only the tip, it is the back of the tongue. That will push your facial bones upward and forward, resulting in defined facial structure. You'll see negative results. If you press only the tip, this will cause uneven distribution of forces, causing muscle tensions and sometimes an asymmetrical face with misaligned jaw and teeth. Number 2, your tongue shouldn't touch your teeth. Your tongue should remain right behind your teeth without even slightly touching them. This is not the correct tongue posture and can lead to muscle strain. The pressure to your teeth can cause the teeth to develop gaps in between and move forward, causing misaligned teeth. Number 3, clenching your teeth too much or not even clenching them. You should just touch the upper and lower sets of teeth without applying any pressure. You shouldn't be feeling any pressure or pain in your teeth while doing so. Keep your mouth closed, but do not clench your teeth excessively. Number 4, treating mewing as an exercise. You should make mewing a habit and not an exercise. Mewing should become a part of your life. I've seen beginners ask how many hours they should mew per day. You'll achieve very slow results that way. You should mew 24 hours once. You've developed the habit of mewing your tongue. Automatically, start sticking to the roof of your mouth, subconsciously even while sleeping at night. Number 5, breathing through your mouth. You'll need to completely seal your mouth and start breathing through your nose. Breathing through your mouth makes your jaw start to sag eventually. By nose breathing, your tongue will also remain in a proper posture, ensuring faster results. Number 6, not losing face fat. If you've been mewing for a long time, but still haven't worked towards losing facial fat, you'll notice no results no matter how amazing your facial structure has transformed into. It'll still not be visible, being covered by layers of fat. You need to achieve a lean face to notice results. Number 7, being impatient. You need to understand that achieving a Greek god jawline overnight is literally impossible. It takes a lot of time, depending on your genetics and the factors mentioned about. Sometimes it can take under 6 months to even notice a minor result. You need to be patient and wait for the changes to show. So, those were the 7 jawline mistakes you need to keep in mind to maximize your results. I'll see you in the next video.